AI has taken over, and there are new AI training jobs that are currently available that you can apply today. And some of these AI training jobs do not even require that you are a graduate. All they need you is just know how to speak English fluently. If you can speak English fluently and you can also write it, then you can apply for these jobs. There is this particular project that is currently paying, and the platform it's hiring anywhere in the world. So if you're a Nigerian watching this video, after this video, just go ahead and apply. Of course, you need a CV. So if you don't have your CV, you need to get your CV ready. But for those of you who already have CV, go ahead and apply for this job right away. Hopefully they will hire you, and then you can start training AI and make money. Okay, so I will just go into the website and then show you the job opportunities and how you can apply so that you can start applying. Don't waste time, because there are a lot of people applying for these jobs, especially the ones that do not require that you are a graduate. There are a lot of people, so do not waste time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are new here, turn on notification so that you will always see whenever I upload. Now let's go ahead and check it right away. So once you click on the link in the comment section, this is the job page. It's going to bring you down to where you can create your account. So you need to create an account. Then after that, you can sign in. Now make sure that you click on receive update about opportunities and projects. Click on this so that they will always send it to your email. Okay, and then after that, click on create account. When you click on create account, it's going to then lead you down to the website. Okay, and then okay, this is the code is sent to my email, so I'm just going to enter this code right away. Now, there are three steps you need to do so that you can complete your personal info, your name, your last name, your LinkedIn profile, and then your country of residence. Then this job ID is not necessary, it's optional. And then this one too here. Okay, so after that, you can continue to the next. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this right away. Now, you're going to see that the name of this platform is Super Annotate. That's the name of the platform offering this job right away. You're going to see share the feature of AI and get paid. So you can just click on apply now. Okay, if you click on apply now here, it's going to then bring you down to the jobs that you need, that you're going to see. Okay, what roles you play at SME careers. Okay, so these are some of the roles that you are going to play. Okay, you're going to see subject matter expert, network referral, share opportunity with your professional network, and earn commission for each expert you refer. Okay, so you can just choose any of them that you want. So of course, it still links you back to completing your profile. So you need to complete your profile. Very easy. And once you complete your profile, then you can be able to apply for any of these opportunities. Okay, so you can take your time to also go through the website itself. You're going to see the application process. So if you click on the application process, you're going to see how long it takes and the rest. You're going to see all that. Okay, start ending in 4 simple steps. So you're going to see the steps here. So take your time to complete up the this thing. Okay, this personal info so that you can be able to apply for these jobs. Okay, if you just go to dashboard, you would see where to complete the personal info. Then you can go ahead and apply for these jobs. So create a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have one, create a LinkedIn profile. And then I think I'm going to make a video on how to create one so that you can be, because if you want to work for these kind of companies, you need a LinkedIn profile. It's very important you have one, because that's where they're going to be contacting you. LinkedIn is for professionals, or is for people who are seeking for job opportunity majorly, right? So you need one. Okay, so that is it. That's the website. Super Annotate. Just go ahead and apply right away. Now, for those of you who don't have our CV, I'm going to make a video on how you can get your online CV so that you can include your AI skills that you have learned. I made a video about how you can learn AI skills with Google. I don't know if you have watched that video. Go ahead and watch it. Check the channel right now and go and watch it so that you can generate your own CV. For those of you who are looking for side hustle, you want side hustle that you can do that's going to fetch you money quickly, because some of these jobs they're going to take time to hire you, because you are not the only one applying, so they're going to take time to select. But if you need something that's going to make you money instantly, like without wasting time, I have something for you. Check the comment section. You're going to see a link there. Yeah, that's this ebook that I've prepared. Nice ebook, and I listed about 7 side hustles that you can start today with little or no money. And not just that, I also listed my 3 main website that pays me every 1 hour for free money. Okay, of course they're not big money, but of course 3 website paying me every 1 hour without putting any money, that is amazing. Okay, so you can check it right away, the comment section, and then it's just simple, just small money, 2,000 naira, and then you can get that ebook. And then you can, of course, the ebook comes with video as well, showing you other things that you need to do so that you can make money with your side hustle while you're waiting for these AI training jobs to click. You have something that's giving you money on the side.